to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I want to share with you a very delicious Mexican horchata. It's not just any kind of horchata. It's a mango horchata that I know that you guys are going to love and enjoy in this summer. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. I have sugar, rice, and 1 cinnamon stick, 3 mangoes, condensed milk, evaporated milk, filtered water, and 100% vanilla extract. This is everything we need to make this delicious mango horchata. Let's get started. I want to start by making my simple syrup. In my saucepan, I'm going to add the sugar. I'm going to add some water, just enough to cover the sugar. And now we are ready to take it to the stove and start cooking it. Okay, my friends, we're going to start making our simple syrup. It's going to take about 2 to 3 minutes before the sugar has dissolved completely. When this is done, I'll show it to you. This is how we make the simple syrup. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, the sugar has dissolved completely, and now I'm going to turn off the stove and I'm just going to let it rest until it's completely cooled down, so when we start using it. I have my rice here and I have my cinnamon stick. What I did one night before making this delicious agua fresca, I prepared it last night. I added some water and just added water, covered it, and put it in the refrigerator so that the rice and the cinnamon get hydrated. And I'm adding everything to my blender cup just like this. We're using the same water that I added last night, just like this. I'm gonna go ahead, cover it, and we're gonna blend it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, when this is done, this is done. We're gonna go ahead and just start putting it through a sifter. I have a glass cup here. I'm gonna help myself with the sifter and we're gonna sift it completely. We wanna make sure that we sift it really good because we don't want pieces of rice or of cinnamon in our agua fresca. So this is what we're not going to use, okay? The little leftovers of the rice. I'm adding my condensed milk. Now I'm adding my evaporated milk. And we're just going to go ahead and whisk it and incorporate it completely. I have my vanilla extract made at home. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the vanilla extract and we're just going to blend it, mixing it really well. Okay, I'm gonna add the simple syrup we made at the beginning of the video. Remember that the sugar is to taste. To my tasting, this is great. This is done. I'm going to continue with my mangoes. I'm gonna start by slicing the mangoes right near the bone, but first I'm gonna cut the sides so it's more stable. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right next to the bone so that I don't throw away any of the pulp. Look at this. I'm gonna take the little skin off so that I could remove the pulp that is right on the sides of the mango. Here I have my blender cup that I rinsed and washed really good. And now I'm adding all the mango inside. I'm helping myself with the spoon. We want to make sure that we remove as much as we can of the mango pulp. I'm going to continue doing the same process. And adding everything in here. Like I said, just make sure that you take your time and you take everything out. We don't want to go ahead and throw anything of the pulp. This is done. I'm just going to add some water in here, about 1 or 2 cups of water. And we're going to go ahead and blend it completely. We want to make sure that it's really nice and blended. It's going to be blended for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, this is completely done. Now I am ready to just, show it to you so that you could see that it's really nice and thick, but yet is really nice and blended. This is a very important step. You want to make sure that it's really, really liquidy. We don't want any pieces of mango in here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add it to the mixture of the milks here. We're going to go ahead, add it, and incorporate it completely. Making sure that we whisk it really good and making sure that everything's incorporated. Here I'm going to add some mango extract, to bring up those delicious flavors of the mango. And I'm using 1 tablespoon. That's enough that we need, okay? We don't need more than that. I was almost forgetting that. And optional is food coloring. I'm going to add about 3 drops of food coloring, yellow, to give it that beautiful yellow color. I'm going to taste it one more time, and you know something? This is completely done. I want to start with my pitcher and adding, of course, enough ice. I want to add a lot of ice because I want this water to be really nice and cold when I'm ready to taste it. I'm going to help myself spooning it in so I don't make a mess. I'm going to go ahead, add it a little bit at a time, and now I am ready to start adding everything in here completely. Look at this. The color looks so beautiful. It's really yellow. I could even smell the mango. And this is done. Now I am ready to show you how this looks. Look at this. Look how it looks. I have a glass here, of course, full of ice because I want to add the horchata mango in here. But look at this. This looks so refreshing. I can't wait, my friends, to start drinking it. I know it's going to be really nice and cold. Okay, now I'm ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in a bit. Mango horchata. This is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward. Tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. It's nice and yellow. And look, it just looks amazing. Excuse me. The flavor of the mango is just fabulous, and believe me, you don't want to stop drinking it. My friends, you can make this horchata mango at home with your family. Why not make something delicious? You have mangoes at home, especially in this hot weather. Enjoy it with your family. I know that you guys are going to love it. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did already, it's activated. So every time I make a new recipe, yes, my friends, you are going to be notified. I want to say thank you so much for playing this video, for offering me your time. Thank you. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, my friends, yes, you are notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay refreshing myself with this mango horchata. Bye-bye.